Today we are going to talk about a bird whose sweet voice is liked by everyone, and its name is Koyal Bird. The koel, also known as the koyal in South Asia, is a fascinating bird belonging to the cuckoo family, Cuculidae. The Asian koel Eudynamys scolopaceus is one of the most well-known species within this group, celebrated for its melodious call and unique breeding behavior. This essay explores the life of the koel, covering its habitat, physical characteristics, diet, breeding habits, and cultural significance. The koel is native to a vast range, extending across the Indian subcontinent, China, Southeast Asia, and the northern parts of Australia. These birds thrive in diverse environments, from dense forests and woodlands to urban gardens and agricultural areas. Their adaptability to various habitats has contributed to their wide distribution. In urban and suburban areas, koels are commonly found in parks, gardens, and near human settlements where there is an abundance of fruiting trees and dense foliage for cover. They are well adapted to these environments and are often more easily heard than seen due to their secretive nature. Koels exhibit sexual dimorphism, meaning males and females have distinct appearances. Males, typically glossy black with a bluish-green sheen, red eyes, and a long, slightly curved tail. Their striking appearance makes them easily identifiable. Females, more subdued in color, with brownish plumage and white spots or bars. They have a more camouflaged appearance, which helps them blend into their surroundings while laying eggs. Koels are medium-sized birds, measuring around 39 to 46 centimeters in length, including their long tail. Their beaks are slightly curved, suited for their diet of fruits and insects. Koels are primarily frugivorous, feeding on a wide variety of fruits and berries. They are particularly fond of figs, banyan, and peepal trees, which provide abundant food resources. In addition to fruits, koels consume insects, caterpillars, and small vertebrates, especially during the breeding season when they need extra protein. Their diet makes them important seed dispersers, contributing to the regeneration of their habitat. By consuming fruits and excreting the seeds in different locations, koels help maintain the health and diversity of forest ecosystems. One of the most fascinating aspects of the koel's life is its breeding behavior. Koels are brood parasites, meaning they lay their eggs in the nests of other bird species. Relying on these host birds to incubate and rear their chicks. This behavior is most commonly directed at members of the crow family, particularly the house crow Corvus splendens and the jungle crow Corvus macrorinchos. Brood parasitism process. 1. Egg laying. The female koel stealthily observes potential host nests and waits for an opportune moment to lay her egg. She often removes or eats one of the host eggs to make room for her own, mimicking the host egg in size and color to avoid detection. 2. Incubation and hatching. The host bird incubates the koel egg along with its own. Koel chicks usually hatch earlier than the host's eggs and are often larger and more vigorous. 3. Chick development. The koel chick demands more food, often at the expense of the host chicks. It may push the host's eggs or chicks out of the nest to eliminate competition. The unsuspecting host parents continue to feed the koel chick until it fledges, usually around 3 weeks after hatching. Behavior and vocalizations of koels. Koels are known for their distinctive and melodious calls, especially during the breeding season. The male's call is a repeated coo-o-o-o or koel, which can be heard over long distances and is often used to attract females and establish territory. The female's call is more varied and includes a series of rapid, bubbling notes. These vocalizations are most prominent at dawn and dusk, but can occur throughout the day. The koel's call is not only a signal of the breeding season, but also a familiar and evocative sound in many regions, particularly in India, where it is often associated with the onset of the monsoon. The koel holds a special place in the cultural and literary traditions of many Asian countries. In India, the bird is celebrated for its sweet song and is often mentioned in poetry, folklore, and classical literature. The koel's call is considered an auspicious sign of spring and new beginnings, symbolizing love and longing in various literary works. In Hindu mythology, the koel is associated with the god of love, Kamadeva, and its call is thought to evoke feelings of romance and yearning. In many cultures, the koel's song is eagerly anticipated as a harbinger of seasonal change and renewal. The Asian koel is currently listed as a species of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, indicating that it is not at immediate risk of extinction. This status is largely due to its wide range, adaptability to different habitats, and large population. However, like many other bird species, koels face threats from habitat loss. Urbanization and the use of pesticides, which can reduce the availability of food resources. Conservation efforts aimed at preserving natural habitats and promoting biodiversity indirectly benefit the koel population by ensuring a healthy environment for their survival. The koel is a remarkable bird with a rich and varied life that spans diverse habitats across Asia and Australia. Its melodious call, unique breeding strategy, and cultural significance make it a subject of fascination and admiration. As we continue to study and appreciate the koel, it is essential to recognize the importance of preserving its natural habitat to ensure that future generations can also enjoy the presence and song of this extraordinary bird. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, share and press the bell icon to get an informative videos. Thanks for watching.